Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking this. This is chorizo sautéed in red wine. It's a bit of a tapas dish, so come on, let's get on with it. So this is going to be a quick, simple dish. We've got some of these from Spain. These are little chorizo sausages. You can use the cooking type chorizo and just cut it up. We've got 100 ml, I'd say half a glass of red wine. We're going to use some runny honey. We've got 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped garlic cloves, and some good old olive oil. What we've got to do now is get a pan on the Hellrazr Nomada. And we'll start cooking. We'll just pop this on. Let it start getting warmed up. Cast iron is warm now. I'm just going to add a good drizzle of olive oil. First thing into our olive oil is 1 chopped onion. Our onions have started to soften on now, so we're going to go in with 2 cloves of garlic that I've just finely chopped. That garlic's not going to take that long, probably a minute. So now we're going to take our chorizo sausages. Our sausages are starting to get a bit of colour on now and cooking up, so we're going to add about 100 ml, half a glass of red wine. And last in, about a tablespoon of runny honey. Give that a good stir. Lid on. Let that cook. While that's cooking, we're just going to get some crusty bread. Slice it up. And we're going to use this to mop up all that lovely red wine flavour. Look at the deep, intense colour now these sausages have turned by adding that red wine. So let's get in and have a taste of this. Really taste that chorizo, that red wine. Just give it a bit of body to it. Just take some of these onions. I think for a quick 10-minute tapas dish, this is outstanding.